Hi everyone, welcome to our first vlog, and we are making this video for the first time, so we will be introducing ourselves, right? So you get to know us, and here it goes. Hi, my name is Tenzin Roma, and I was born in Kharting village, just below our community. And Kharting village is a very big village, huge village. So since 2007 I was brought here, and from 2007 to 2024 I'm still here. I graduated my 12 from here, and then after 12 I went to Minsikang for my further study, and now I'm in 5th year in Minsikang.
Hello everyone, my name is Namnyi Churun and I'm from Ro village, which is very next to Tawang district. And I did my high school from our community. As you have said the name of our community, which is Jamja Ghazal Children's Community. And for my further study, I went to Sara College, Dharamshala, and in that college I did BA in Tibetan Arts. And right now I'm done with my BA, and I came back to our community so that I can give back to our community. I'm here in our community right now as one of the primary Tibetan teachers.
Okay, now I'd like to tell you that why we are making this video, why we are making YouTube.
The purpose of our the purpose of
making this video,
this YouTube channel.
Yes, it's because we would like to improve our English language. Like, we need to improve our English accent, and also I think by making this video and speaking in English, it will definitely help us to get better and see how my English is. It feels so hard to speak, so I think, and making this video, it will improve my English as well as communication skill. Like, it will be easier for us to speak to someone when we are speaking. So, and it is also for entertainment purpose, and to show our villages and our places and our people to you, so that you get to know our people, our places, and all. So I hope you like our videos, and
please do comment and subscribe our channel so that we can excel or we can succeed in our purpose. As you have said, what are our purpose of opening this YouTube channel? First is to excel in our English language, and second is to entertain you guys. We are not very good in entertaining people, but we'll try our best.
yes.
So that's all for today.
Guys, please do comment. Through your comment, we'll know that what we need to improve and what should be done for future. So please comment, to like and share. So that's it. We'll show you the next video will come very soon. So be tuned.
Subscribe, like, share for more videos.
Hey, my name is Suram Somo. I also study in this school. Please support my sisters for more videos and subscribe their channel.
Like, share, subscribe for more videos.